Hi everyone, it's me, Hello Ia. Welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you again. Today, I'm really excited because I was able to get my little paws on the CloudDye eyeshadow collection from ColourPop. This collection includes 3 pastel palettes. They're each 9-pan palettes and they are so freaking adorbs. I'm so excited to play with these today. I'm a little bit sad because I was really hoping to get my hands on the pastel eyeliner set that was part of this collection, but it keeps selling out, so I'll just have to try again and hopefully they restock it soon. But how cute are these little palettes? Oh my gosh. So today we're gonna be playing with all 3 of these eyeshadow palettes. I already have my base on, my complexion done, foundation, concealer, all that jazz, primer on my eyelids, so we're ready to go. So let's jump into it. I think I'm gonna start by taking like a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the color Fresh Cut from the Aura Out palette, the green palette, and I'm going to pop that into my crease. That really does look like fresh cut grass to me. That's so cute. If these colors are anything like their other 9-pan pastel palettes, then the color payoff is there, but sometimes you have to build it up in order to get like a more vibrant hue. So I think that's good for that eye. We're gonna do the same thing on the other. There's a lot of fallout in the pan with this shade, like a lot, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. But I know some people really don't like that, so just as an FYI for my friends out there who friggin' hate that, this specific color, Fresh Cut, is very powdery. It's very pigmented too though. Next I'm going to take another fluffy brush, but this one has a more tapered end, and I'm going to go into the color Healing Heart in that same Aura Out palette. It's like a little bit darker, deeper green. And I'm just going to use that to build up the green on the outer part of the crease. I cannot tell if that's doing anything. Okay, so it did not really deepen up the color, but it did give it kind of a nice shimmery finish. The other color, Fresh Cut, is very matte. I'm going to take a really tiny brush and I'm gonna go back into Fresh Cut, and I'm going to really build that up on the inside corner of my eye. And with that, I think I'm done with the Aura Out palette for now. I'm going to take a blue shade from the In A Trance palette, and this shade is called Transcend Dance instead of Transcendence, get it? I know, so funny. I'm going to take my little packing brush here, and I'm just going to pack that on to the inner part of my lid. And same thing on the other side. And then I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush. I'm not gonna add any more color to it, the one I used in Fresh Cut, and I'm just going to blend that a little bit. And then with that same packing brush, I'm going to go back into my In A Trance palette, and I'm going to take this beautiful purple color called Own Your Power, and I'm just gonna take it on the opposite side of the brush that I used the blue color Transcend Dance on. And I'm going to start in the middle of my lid and blend that out. Oh, Kazoo! Hi, baby! You want to sit in my lap while I do this? come on. Hello everyone, this is Kazoo. This is my old man, my little baby. You're a good boy, big mama's boy. He's gonna try and sit in my lap while I do this. We'll see how this goes. The kitties are being very, very needy. They're so used to me being home all the time now, but they're also really used to me giving them a lot of attention all the time. So I feel like they were already kind of needy and now they're just like over the top needy. Huh, mister. Huh, mister. You're a good kitty. I don't know if you guys can see on camera because these colors blend so perfectly and because they're pretty close in color family, but like that blue to like light purple transition just looks really pretty. Next, I'm gonna dip into the Miss Bliss palette and I'm going to take the shade Whoa. You have to say it like that, Whoa. I'm going to take the shade Whoa and run that along my lower lash line. I'm just gonna make that really big because it's kind of a light color and I want it to pop. And then I want to put some pink in somewhere. Maybe like out here. I did put my blush like really high up on my cheekbones because I wanted to try that look where like the blush kind of blends into the eye look. So we got that going. I'm going to take the shade Love It. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to kind of tap that right here on the outermost part of my eye and also kind of blow that out a little bit into my blush. What do you guys think so far? I like it, but I feel like this might be weird for some people. I don't know. I don't know. So in the In A Trance palette, there's a shade called Clarity, and it's like a white iridescent shade, and it has like a little bit of a blue shift to it. So I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bones. And I'm crazy, so I'm putting a little bit on my nose too as a highlight. And my Cupid's bow. Love that. And now to decide which sparkle to use. I feel like I might take the one from the Aura Out, the one that has kind of a green, yellow, blue shift to it, and put that on the outer part of my lid. Kazoo is still in my lap, by the way. He's having the time of his life. I can't decide if I want to do blue mascara or black. I think blue would be fun. Let's do blue mascara. For lips, I'm gonna go in with this Natasha Denona I Need a Nude in the color Sava. I'm kind of obsessed with this lipstick lately. And I have this ColourPop Luxe Gloss in the shade Blissful. I'm gonna throw that on top. And that completes the look. All we have left to do is set our makeup in place. I love how this Urban Decay setting spray smells. It smells delicious. And it wouldn't be a video by Hello Ia if the Koya hand fan did not make an appearance. And we're done. What do you guys think? Do you like this colorful pastel look? I know it might be a lot for some people. I was trying to use all three palettes in one look. I really like it. I keep looking at myself in my little mirror I have down here, and I think my favorite part of the look is how I took that pink and had it just kind of blend into my blush. I am really excited about it. I love ColourPop's eyeshadows. These 3 palettes are adorable, and I'm sure I'll get plenty of use using them on their own and combined. And if you liked the empties video I did a little while ago, I have a ton of empties and I'm getting ready to film another one. So keep your eyes open for that. Don't forget to subscribe. And this is Hello Ia saying, see ya!